when someone deposits XRP through Xaman, right? What's happening under the hood with the Flare smart accounts and everything to keep it non-custodial and safe? You know, especially if the market tanks or there is some sort of liquidation risk. Perhaps you can comment on that.
Yeah, so when somebody deposits something through their smart accounts or when they do any interaction, the first thing they do is they send a small payment transaction on XRP Ledger. And in this transaction, they encode the intent they wish for it to happen on the other side, so on Flare chain. And the crucial part is that FDC, so Flare Data Connector, where all the validators agree on what they've seen on the XRP Ledger, constantly observes the operator address on the underlying XRP Ledger, and then checks, okay, this specific XRPL address has sent that instruction. We bridge this over via FDC, and then the contracts in the Flare Smart Account system again check that this intent was properly bridged. It was not made too late. It was made to the correct address. It was made from the correct address, and only then issue an intent that operates only on the account on Flare side that is associated with this XRPL account. So pretty much the whole bridging of both intent and F assets is secured by FDC, and constantly FDC is observing chain and checking what's happening somewhere. And as for what happens if there's a liquidation or something, that is actually not a problem. So we make sure that FXRP on Flare is always one-to-one collateralized with XRP on the XRP ledger. So we're not moving it anywhere. For every FXRP in existence currently on Flare, there is an XRP on XRP ledger that we know is there, and users can always redeem back to it. So it's never going out. We're just locking it for a future use when somebody wants to bridge back.